This is the plaintiff, Diana Senkowitz. She says she gave a deposit on an apartment and then discovered there was a big, loud, vibrating humidifier in the apartment. And that would have been very hard for her to live with. She politely asked for her deposit back and was told maybe you'll get it in 60 days, maybe a year, or maybe not at all. Huh? After that, she never heard from her again. So she's suing for the $800, the amount she's owed. These are the defendants, Deborah and Philippe Roger. She says the plaintiff knew full well all of the conditions of the apartment when she gave her the deposit and is only now trying to back out of the deal because she's a chain smoker and saw the clause in the lease stating there's no smoking on the premises. Bottom line, the plaintiff broke the lease and she owes this flip-flopping tenant nothing.
Diana Senkowitz?
Senkowitz, yes.
You are suing Deborah and Philip Roger, for $800, the return of a deposit that you put in an apartment that you eventually did not move into. Okay,
right.
What happened?
Well, when me and my friend Bob went there, it was a basement, and she also said it's not legal because there was one entrance, but it looked
Wait,
okay.
Say it again. She said to you, this is not legal?
That's what she told me, because there's only one entrance. But I didn't care. So anyhow, I asked my friend Bob, I'll go to 7-Eleven, and I'll bring it to you today.
Bring what to you today?
The deposit.
Okay. You said that to her?
Yeah,
okay.
To Debbie. And she says, you know what? Don't move into March 1st, because my husband has to put a meter in for the electricity.
A separate meter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, you know, she lived upstairs, and then there was an upstairs from her.
Okay. And so go on.
So about February 20th, I called her up, and I says, could I bring my cleaning supplies there? She says, yeah, sure. So me and Bob brought...
Now, is Bob your boyfriend?
Just a friend.
Okay. And so Bob, is Bob moving in there with you supposedly or no?
No,
okay.
no, he lives in Naugatuck.
Okay, so go on.
So we brought like my cleaning supplies like detergent, dishwashing stuff, Windex, Endust, my oil. And when I went in there, the meter was in there. Her husband must have put it in, like she said. And there was a humidifier almost like this, but it was big.
Okay.
But before I went there, I forgot to tell you, she says, you sure noise isn't going to bother me? I says, noise don't bother me. It's shaking or vibration because where I'm living now, they have it.
What kind of vibration?
It's next to a pizza parlor, and he got a machine down the cellar.
Okay, so the noise from the machine, when you say vibration, you actually feel like the floor's moving in your present apartment?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, anyhow, that's why I want to move
That's
down.
why you want to move out. So you had, so she said to you, noise doesn't bother you.
I says, noise don't bother me. It's the vibration, the shaking.
I have 7 people living in my house, 3 adopted sons that range from 15 down to 9. And I babysit.
How many kids do you have?
7.
You had 4 of your own, and then you adopted 3 more?
Yep. My husband and I did foster care for 11 years.
God bless you. God bless. And 3 boys?
Yep, all boys.
Okay. And all 7 are boys?
No,
the other
2
ones
daughters,
okay.
2 daughters, 5 boys.
Okay, how many of them are living with you now? The 3 adopted?
3 adopted and 1 other son that's 25.
Okay, all right. So,
and I babysit my grandchildren.
And you have grandchildren. And so you told her, listen, it's, this is a noisy place.
It's a noisy house.
And she said, no problem. Did she tell you about this little vibration issue she had at her prior apartment?
She told me it was a compressor that would go off.
Yep.
And a compressor, yeah, it will shake a whole house.
Right. Okay, so then when you go back with your cleaning supplies, what is it you find that causes you concern?
She had the electricity on and the humidifier. It shakes just as much where I'm living now or worse.
Okay, can you stand up, please? Were you with her when she came on the 23rd?
Yeah, I was, yes.
Okay, what did you see?
There's the humidifier there, and it was going, and like I say, there's vibration, and that's what she cannot stand, so.
Yeah,
okay.
Bothers me.
I know, bothers me too. Wasn't that item there, though, when you saw the place and gave her the...
To be honest with you, Judge, I don't remember seeing it.
Was a dehumidifier there the day she saw it?
Yes, it was.
Was it on?
It's always on. It's a constant where it kicks on and off to moisture.
Okay, so it's on, but it's not running all the time.
No,
so
it
you don't
kicks
know
on and
whether
off.
it was running when she came.
I don't remember.
Where is it housed, like physically in the place?
It's when you walk.
Do you have a video for me?
Yes, I do.
Oh, let's see it.
It's a 3-room apartment. When you walk in the back door, you walk through the kitchen to the living room, and there's a hallway that leads to another doorway as an emergency exit, and it's right there.
Already, the dehumidifier was
It's
there
always
from
been there. It's been there probably for more than 10 years.
Okay. All right, let's see what we got here.
Okay, dehumidifier is running. It's no louder than a refrigerator. That's in the hallway leading to the other stairwell. As you get farther away into the living room, it gets quieter and quieter. This is the bedroom. As you can tell, the dehumidifier is running at this point. You can't even hear it in the bedroom.
I can totally hear it.
Well, there's no furniture in the house at this point. I mean, but as you're
Let
sitting
me
in the
ask you a
living...
question. She said something when she started off that you had told her, hey, it's not legal. Is the place legal or not?
Oh, God, yeah. In town records, I pay taxes on a 3-family house.
So she just made that up?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything to show me, or you didn't think this was
I have 3 sworn statements of people, because she told me she didn't smoke. It's in my lease.
that she can't smoke?
Yeah.
And she said...
And she said, absolutely not, because I have emphysema.
I didn't say no.
Yes, you did. I have an affidavit
I didn't say
here from-
absolutely.
You didn't?
I just went like this.
You just went like that? You didn't say no, you just shook your head.
So, does the landlord have a duty to disclose this humidifier? What do you think?
I believe they do. If it bothers the plaintiff that much, I would believe that the owner, the person renting out the building, would have to disclose it. Yes.
Okay, you would have to disclose, and you say, sir?
I say buy our earplugs.
That is so heartless, really. That's what you do? You buy earplugs? You serious? Love it, actually. Going inside the courtroom.
Your Honor, my daughter was visiting at the time when they came to see the apartment, and she's got a sworn notarized statement here that her overheard the whole conversation. And after I rented to her, she has been bad-mouthing me all over town, which is upsetting my 100-year-old grandmother.
You have a 100-year-old
Yes,
grandmother?
I do. I even have a picture of her hair.
God bless her. I want to see it.
How am I bad-mouthing you?
How is she
100-year-old
upsetting your
grandmother
100-year-old
and
grandmother?
an 81-year-old mother that frequents the bingo halls with her, and she has been talking
No, but-
about me all over the
Wait,
place.
she's smack talking at the bingo hall?
She is. Your Honor, she's even been... Your Honor,
Wait, I'm sorry, hold on. She's smack talking at the bingo hall, and she's gonna get hers from your 100-year-old grandmother and your 81-year-old
Oh,
mother.
she
Because
was-
she better watch her back.
I'll tell you, you don't know my grandma.
I can, God bless her. Hold on, I want to see her.
That
Hold
was
on.
at her 100th birthday.
Which one is she?
The one with the more gray, she doesn't even have full gray
She
hair.
looks fantastic. The one with the black and
Fantastic.
white flowers, the white flowers on the black sweater?
I can't
There
tell.
has to be her. Nobody else is close to 100. She doesn't even
Yeah,
look
and the other
100.
one is her daughter, which is my mom. who's
She's 81?
Yep. Good Italian
Man,
blood.
I tell you what, that's some strong Italian stock. Good
So
Lord.
it upset them, it upset me.
Do they smoke?
No, none of
Okay.
us do.
And
Try
then
to
you
take care
have
of-
found out through mom and grandma
Grandma.
that at the bingo hall that she happens to frequent too, that she's talking bad about you, and by the way, she's a smoker.
Yes.
So she lied to you. That's
Right.
All right. But now the question becomes, what do I do about this deposit? And the only legal question that is presented to me right now is this. Is the sound or the vibration emitted by that dehumidifier enough that it should be disclosed and she should have a chance to know this before she signs a lease? And unfortunately for you, you have a judge who, you know, is pretty sound. I'm sound sensitive, but I got to tell you, I know you felt that video was going to help you. I thought that video sunk you. It's loud. It's not inconsequential. It's something I would want to know, especially if I'm telling you I'm moving out of my old place because, and I realize it's different than a compressor, but the compressor at least is across the street, and this thing is in my room. Some people can sleep with that, and some people cannot. I think it's enough of an issue where people should be entitled to know.
Well, the power was on when she came.
But the thing hadn't kicked on.
Right, and it doesn't
I
kick
know
on
because she
often.
wanted to live there. She came there with cleaning supplies. She wanted to move in. It was what she wanted to do. She
Right.
wanted, so it's not, you know, when I read her complaint and she was commenting how somebody else was smoking on the premises, I thought, well, maybe it's that she can't handle somebody even smoke, because I don't want to walk through somebody else's smoke to get to my apartment. So I'm thinking maybe that's what it is, except that that's not what it is, because as you proved to me, she's a smoker, so she's not sensitive to the smoke thing.
Exactly.
So these aren't the issues. The issue is the noise from that thing. And I think it's enough where I think you should give her back her money. $800 verdict for the plaintiff. Good luck, folks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so here comes the defendant. Let's see what the outcome is here for you. How do you feel about this?
I'm not happy.
No?
No,
You have a great
because-
sense of humor, though. You're always smiling.
Have to be.
You look happy. Well, you have to because you have all those kids all the time?
Yeah, if you're not, you're going to go insane.
Yeah. With that well, can't you just get one of those humidifier units that doesn't buzz like that?
No, that's the way they're all made.
And can you watch my kids this weekend?
No.
Okay.
I watch my kids this.
All right. Right around this
Thank
way.
you.
Thank you. All right, so come on out here, ma'am, and tell me how you're feeling about the outcome of your case here. Turn this way.
I think
Yeah.
the judge did the right thing.
Mm-hmm. She asked you, does noise bother you? You said no?
Noise don't bother me. No, it's
But it's the vibration.
Yes, that does bother me.
Mm-hmm.
And she says I talk bad mouth about her. I know her mother. I go to senior center with her mother, Dolores.
You wouldn't do that.
No.
All right, okay. Harvey?
Okay, so here's the deal. Landlords have a duty to disclose material facts in a lease. And some things are really minor where you don't have to. This is a major thing because it prevents you from sleeping, and it has to be disclosed.